Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate virtual card numbers with Capital One Shopping, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate virtual card numbers with Capital One Shopping, start by visiting the official Capital One website. Log into your Capital One account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Capital One Shopping section. If you do not have the Capital One Shopping extension, you will need to download it. Install the extension by following the on-screen instructions. After installation, open the Capital One Shopping extension in your browser. You will need to sign in to your Capital One account again if prompted. Once signed in, browse the online store where you wish to make a purchase. Add the desired items to your cart. At checkout, click the Capital One Shopping extension icon. Select the option to generate a virtual card number. The extension will create a unique virtual card number for your transaction. Copy the generated virtual card number to your clipboard. Return to the checkout page of the online store. Paste the virtual card number into the payment field. Complete any additional required information, such as the expiration date and security code. Confirm the payment to finalize your purchase. You should receive a confirmation once your transaction is complete. Keep the Capital One Shopping extension handy for future online shopping. Regularly check your Capital One account for updates on your virtual card usage. That's how you activate virtual card numbers with Capital One Shopping. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.